Hi, this is Marcus de Maria here, and I've got something very shocking to share with you, and that is, did you know that 90% of new traders and investors will lose 90% of their money within 90 days? Now, quite frankly, that doesn't surprise me because 90% of the people out there, if not more, don't have a strategy which tells them when to get in, or when to get out at a loss, when to get out at a profit, where to invest, and how much to invest, because those are the four main rules that you need to know. What am I talking about? I'm talking about a strategy which is made up of those four rules. So, in order to ensure that you are not part of the 90% that lose 90% of 90% of their money within 90 days, and you become part of the 10% that are successful, I would love for you to download my book, The Lunchtime Trader, for free. That's right, you can have 18 years of my trading experience, which is in this book, including the strategies, including the risk management, where this would not have been possible using the content of this book. So all you need to do is go ahead and download this book and read it, and make sure you read chapters 5. Well, you should read it all really, because the strategies are in there that we teach, the risk management is in there, everything that you need to know. So to make sure that you're successful in trading and investing and not one of these guys, make sure you download the book now.